Good day, viewers. How you doing today? I'm the great Johnsonkeyz. I'm a tutor. All right. So this morning, I'll be showing you the song. I'll be teaching you the song. You are Alpha and Omega by Houghton. Yeah. So I'll be showing you the chords, the song, the chord progressions. Then I'll also be showing you the gospel jazz chords that how we'll play to this song. So I'll be doing that in the key of C. The key of C is just contains the white keys C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Yeah. So if you don't know this, just type in the comment section. I have lessons to this on my blog spot, my WordPress, johnsonkeyz.wordpress.com. All right, so let's get to this. So the song starts. So I'm going to show you in the key of C. So this you start with this you are Alpha. So that's U. So that's the left is starting on 6 in the key of C. That's A for the left hand. So then the right hand is doing F, G, C. So you are for professionals you can do you are Alpha. But for beginners, I'd advise you to do something like you are Alpha. So you do Alpha. So okay, we do like and Omega. So Omega. So for beginners, and so and Omega. Okay, so we worship. So you do something like this on the left. So from 3, we from this chord E, C, G, C. So we worship. So we worship you. So you introduce this this note that's a G sharp. So G sharp is not in the key of C, but we introduce that on the 2. That was used in this song. So on the 2. So that's like tritone here. So it's like bringing in a tritone feel. So that's 3 tones away from D. So we worship you are God. So to 5. So you are God. Same thing, the same way we started. To be praised. Okay, so let's go to the we give you all sides. So that's like 736. So we give you all. So 1, 7. Look at this chord. You can add this note, but I'll give this to the advanced player. So we give you E on your left. So you can do this while holding this E on the left and then G on the right on your pinky. So down we were. So same thing. We worship you, our God. You are worthy to be praised. Alright, don't mind my voice, I'm not a singer. Okay, so let me quickly move on to the advanced way of playing this. Okay, so I'm sure the beginners were able to pick that you are then So let's look at the advanced way of playing this. Okay, so all right, so that will be let's start the same way. You alpha. So you can do something like this. You alpha. So that you alpha. So then I know man. So I know. So 7 to the flat 2. This diminished chord, and so that's C sharp diminished 7. Do major. Then you do a 5-1. We worship you, God. So then you do a rundown. You are God. So your A diminish, F sharp diminish, E flat diminish, then to I God. So you do that. I God. Then you do a 3-6. You to be praised. Okay. In case you have any question, just make sure you type that on the comment section. So let's go for the we give you all. So for the professionals, we'll be having something like this. We give you or you can okay, I missed that part. Let me go from the 7-3-6. Okay, so so just watch the chord, pick the chord on the MIDI display screen. Give you then you do 3-6. E flat 9 sus4 to this 6 chord. Then I did one. Yeah, so I missed the song again. Okay, let me go again. We give you the glory. Okay, 5. We were ba 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 ba. We worship. So you do this. You are God. So 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. Oh, you are worthy to be. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Watch my videos. So once you keep watching my videos, you keep getting most of these chords. Even when you don't pick them on one of the videos, you pick them from watching a lot of my videos where I show this chord. God bless you. keep liking the videos, comment, give me some suggestions, subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you. See you again next time. Bye.